possible. The project title is Virtual Reality Based Emergent System, and my name is Hassan as well. My partners that collaborated my work with me are Numan Alam, Malish Betul. We are from the Department of Computer Engineering, that's Industry of Science and Technology, Islamabad. We're from Pakistan, and Dr. Shaib is our supervisor for this project. So this is what exactly, first of all, let me tell you what exactly the virtual reality is. Virtual reality is a form of technology which creates a computer-generated programs that we create in a simulation and then we represent them on a simulator in a device which is known as Oculus Rift or a Gear VR. So this is the abstract of our project, our research paper that I'm going to present here for the conference of in Thailand 2017. So virtual reality is a high-end computer interface that strives to immerse the designers and the users completely in a virtual interactive environment. Virtual reality is rapidly developing computer interface that strives to immerse the users completely within environment, experimental simulations, thereby enhancing all the overall impact and providing a much more intuitive link between the computer and the human interaction. What exactly the virtual reality is? It is like we create environmental software that is known as Unity 3D, Blender. We blend them then and then we make a complete application and then the user will have the experience of this in his hardware gadget like the Oculus Rift, Gear VR and the other Samsung devices and other. What are the applications of virtual reality? Virtual reality is a very vast domain. There are so many applications, like it has applications in manufacturing industry, in the military industry, in medical industry, education department, entertainment, and in construction industry. What we mainly focused in our project was the construction industry. These are all the applications of VR. I will elaborate them by time each of them. What is the application in manufacturing industry? We can create a big simulators like big multinational companies like Honda. They have created their big simulators in their showrooms. Whenever you are going to purchase something, you are going to purchase a car, they let you experience that in their simulator. So product development process in a marine lab can be created. That is in military applications. You can train your army, you can train them for the real-time scenario, because it's all about the feeling. When you are within a simulator, you are actually feeling that environment. Virtual reality is all about the feel. You are experiencing that in certain scenario and that we have created in our computer, in our softwares. You can train them using the very immensely important military weapons. These are trainings that the USA Army is currently implementing. All of these techniques, they're going to train the army to this. These are all the simulators that the Immersion Lab that created. These are devices of virtual reality. In medical industry, the applications include medical surgeries, medical training, surgical simulator. Like you can communicate with the others. Like a certain surgeon is sitting here in Pakistan. He want to perform a certain he want to do a certain operation, but he doesn't have the access of like he for the medical opinion. He connect with someone sitting there in USA, and virtually they are connected. The one sitting in USA is operating that certain operation, and then the Pakistani doctor is actually operating that certain operation. In education, teacher can train their students. That they get the virtual classrooms. Teacher is studying somewhere abroad, and he is virtually training them, virtually teaching them, enhance student learning. Entertainment industry, it is like a big domain. Like there are so many games. Like young generation is concerned about the gaming. There's a gaming simulator, Oculus Cinema, virtual cinematography. You can actually watch 3D movies, play a 3D picture, and you can see a 3D picture in this. This is all about the this was the main focus of our that we had in the project. In our project in Pakistan, we first surveyed. We see that the construction industry is the main booming industry in Pakistan. Like a lot of projects are there that are, as it is a Pakistan is a developing country, so a lot of projects are undergoing in construction industry. So we what we focus is we created a simulator in construction industry. Blueprints of a certain house is given to us, and we implement them. We design the whole house, the whole scenario, the whole building in our project, and then the user can have the real-time experience of that industry. So this was the block-wise presentation project. User came to us, he gave us model in SketchUp. SketchUp is software used for modeling, and then the models are then enhanced with 3D effects in Blender. These two are the modeling tools. We model certain blueprints in this, and then both of these are imported in the Unity 3D. Here in this we created an user-friendly app, and the whole scenario with the sound effects, with the other emerging effects we could put in this using the certain assets in Unity 3D. And then the whole this exe file is then played in the Oculus Rift. This is the device that we used, Oculus GK2, to be imported from the USA. And this is device that we use, and then this scenario is real-time experience is given to the client after marketing. And this was the whole PowerPoint representation of the project. Now let me tell you environments and project. This is the example of environment and project. This is like a building in Pakistan. It is our industry actually. This that we have created in SketchUp. This is created in SketchUp. First we created the motorbikes, cars, and this is the whole scenario in SketchUp. Then this is internal sketch. Then we are blending in the Unity 3D. How we are blending it? These are the tools that we. This is the second window. Like Oculus act as your secondary window. First primary window is your monitor or your screen. This is the review that you can see in Oculus. Yeah, this was the task was in our project. Like we have 4 partners, we divide our project in this. It's not of such importance. This is the design part. Yeah, we had certain publications. This is reference of the public status chef from the University of Columbia. Here work documented a very good paper on the virtual reality. I put them in the reference of my paper. And these are the then after researching on this domain we propose certain applications like GHQ simulator, media simulator, construction simulator, e-health simulator. And then for military, this was that we shortlisted. This was the one domain, one construction simulator that we focused in our project. These are like the devices selection and order. These are the potential devices, competition devices that are in the market. Samsung Gear VR, HTC Morpheus, and Oculus. We choose the Oculus GK2 because it's the most renowned device. Oculus GK2 was sold out, officially not available, and this is the price of it in Pakistan. These are the competitors like HTC Vive is there, Gear VR is there, Oculus. We use this one. This is the most renowned device. There are friends that are doing hardware integration was one of the most difficult part in our project. Like Oculus Rift has certain GPU requirements, it has certain threads that we have to generate for the speed up our processor speed, and the memory requirements, the power requirements. Oculus runtime issues like SDKs and runtime issues. The SDKs are increasing, they are enhancing, they are upgrading time by time. So we have every time whenever we used to generate a new application, we have to update our SDK. And power requirements are there in Pakistan. There are power issues like where voltage is come, power rating was less here in Pakistan. So we tackle all of these issues. This was the GPU requirement of the Oculus Rift. This is the NVIDIA GTX card minimum requirement for the running Oculus Rift with your PC. So it is like a good PC for that or run Oculus Rift 3x per board. This was the point that we missed first and we were stuck here, and then we moved on again after debugging and consulting with the this is the GPU requirement. We use this one, AMD Radeon NVIDIA GTX. We use the AMD one. This is like we posted on several social media forum from that in the Blender. Like we created this building in Blender. This is software we created the sketch in Blender, and this is another example of that we created in Blender. There are certain work that we created modeling tools. We use the model Blender and SketchUp 3D. These are the good tools. Technical part is Oculus Unity integration was the most hard nut to crack. This one importing 3D models, handy SDKs, importing assets. This was the main task in Unity 3D. Like first of all, we focused on the creating models. We created models in Unity 3 in SketchUp and Blender. When we were done with models part, then we move on to Unity 3D part. These are the tasks that we have to do focused on the Unity 3D. Here we face problems in handling SDKs first of all, and in the Oculus Unity integration. Problem faced was the integration of course with entry, memory overflow, GPU requirements that I told you earlier, frequent crashes, bulky implement downloads. Like the application that is made after with the Unity 3D was it's just of so much large size. It was the like we have to use a fast running program. These are certain tools that Oculus this is the Oculus professional forum that we post queries over there that we are facing these problems. They guided us so well. They responded us. This is the finalized project that we have created. This is the model after we blended in the Unity 3D. and after adding the assets like we added sound here, and we were maintaining the camera views, their sectional views, cross-sectional views. We manage all of these views. These are certain other examples that we created. Finally, we made a business plan layout. I think it's not important in this conference part. So this is the overall expenses of a project. Person resources 5,000 and hardware was the so expensive part, like 82,000. 1 lakh is for the PC, and 82,000 is for the Oculus part, and it is 1,94,000 rupees. It is in PKR, Pakistani rupees, like around $19,000 something. These are the milestones that we achieved. This is our startup, SamTech, and we are going to create a free app. We're touching home styling. We are creating a free portal free for the user to come and experience the scenario. We're going to advertise our project. Finally, we will generate some revenue from this. What are the milestones that we achieved? But these are the things that I put up in a publication here. First of all, we've done our research. Reading certain research papers that I put reference. There was a book on Oculus Unity 3D and was there, and we read all the documentation of softwares that we are using. And the research part was the most time-consuming part that we have focused on this. First, we did research. In the parallel, we were focused on the availability of a gadget. Like in Pakistan, availability of Oculus Rift was a difficult thing. But we managed it. We imported it from the USA, and finally we are done with search part. Best gadget it with us, and we are done with the software Blender, SketchUp, Unity, and DK2. These are 4 things. These are actually 4 different domains. As we are engineering students, we are not had out experience with these softwares, but from the very start we started our project, and we burned the midnight oil, and we worked on this, and finally we have a clear vision what exactly the virtual reality is. We are done with the hands-on practice with the softwares, and we have the innovative business plan, and we want to excel in the domain of virtual reality. Demos of various buildings, construction simulator are ready with us. Successful integration of them with the Oculus Rift, business plan, documentation are ready for publication that I have submitted my research paper. So let's have a final demo, as I'm not going to present it in the conference. So if I will be available for them, I will give you some demo. So it's all from me.